Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic Google Maps not working. Starting with the introduction. As we all know, we are living in the era of technology and internet through which the lives of people become easier as many applications are developed day by day for making the work of people easy. One of the applications which make the life of every people or traveler joyful is Google Maps, which were discovered about 10 to 15 years ago from now. Now people can go anywhere without asking for the direction and with full joy anywhere by route. But nowadays Google Maps is giving problems by not working. So the question arises that how to fix the problem that is coming while using Google Maps. Let's start with what are Google Maps. Google Maps is the most popular application in Android. It is a web-based navigation, or we can say digital mapping. By using Google Maps, we can get the directions of any unknown location through your smartphones. If a person cannot use smartphones while driving to see the direction, Google Map guides the location by speaking. As technologies become advanced, latest features are introduced in Google Maps. Next is what are the problems related to Google Maps. The first issue is that map crashes, which are as a software related issue that occurs due to software bug and malware. The second problem is blank Google Map. Billion of people are dependent on Google Maps. When this kind of error occurs, the user gets disturbed. The issue occurs when you have too much cache, data or bugs in your Android. The next issue that comes with Google Maps is slow loading, as many people are in a hurry to get the location to reach their destination on time. When it works slowly, they get annoyed. And the last one is Google Maps not showing the right location, and it stops you from going further as there is no the right location. So how to fix the issues of Google Maps? First one is update Google Maps. For that you have to go to Play Store of your Android. On the top right side, go to My Account, then click on My Apps and Games on it. All the applications will display in front of you which you have downloaded in your Android. Choose Google Maps. After choosing Google Map, downloading screen will open in front of you with two options, open and update. Click on update, wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Your application of Google Map will quickly be updated. Next is clear data and cache. Most of the issues related to any application can be solved if we precise data and cache of the application. The problem of Google Map will be solved by at much extent through, as if bugs are present in the application, it will be cleared. Next is reinstall the application. Again, firstly go to Play Store of your Android, search in search bar of Play Store Google Maps. There will be two options, uninstall and open. Click on uninstall, wait for 10 to 12 seconds, the application will uninstall. Then click on install, it will be reinstalled in your device. Internet connection. All the issues are not always related to the software. There is also some issue from the user like an internet connection. To ensure that internet connection is perfect for using the Google Map application, and if these types of problem occurs of internet connection, the Google Map will always crash. Last but not the least, conclusion. At the end of Google Maps not working, I would like to conclude that Google Maps is the best digital mapping application. You can go through the video and solve the issue of not working Google Map applications step by step, which will solve your issue to a much extent. Not only Google Maps, every application should be updated from time to time so that every application can give its best to you and you can enjoy the latest features. Google Maps has the latest feature of dark mode, which seems to be too attractive when use the Google Map application at night while driving and finding the location. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.